Software Spring. Presence. How to take a screenshot on a PC. Capture the visible part of computer screen, or the full screen, in simple steps. What is a screenshot? A screenshot is a copy, as an image, of the visible part of the computer screen, or full screen, in the main memory of your computer. Let me give you an example for each. If I take a screenshot now, the visible part is captured. That is, the desktop, and the visible part of the notepad. Do you want capture only the active window? That's possible too. You can also capture the full screen. That is, the visible and invisible part. Consider this web page. It has content above the fold, and below the fold. You can capture both the parts. We will talk about it soon. How to take a screenshot. First, we will take a screenshot of the visible part of the screen. Press the print screen key on your keyboard to take a screenshot. OK, I took the screenshot. The PC has stored it as an image in the main memory. We need to save the screenshot to the hard disk. Let's find out how to save a screenshot. How to save a screenshot. Open a graphics editor software like Paint or Photoshop. I will open Paint. Search for Paint and select it. Click Paste. Click File, Save. Select any of these file formats, depending on your needs. I will save this file in JPEG format. We have saved the screenshot. Next, we will find out how to take a screenshot of only the active window. How to take a screenshot of only the active window. In this screenshot, both the desktop and the notepad are captured. What if we wanted to capture only the notepad? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. First, let's go back to the desktop. Next, make the window you want its screenshot active. In this case, the notepad window is already active. Then, press and hold the Ctrl and Alt keys, and press the print screen key. Alright, I took the screenshot this way. Now, we will paste this in Paint. Click File, New. Click Paste. Super! Only the active window has been captured. As before, you can save this file in a format like JPEG or other. When you take a screenshot, using the print screen key, only the visible part of the screen is captured. Let's find out how to take a full screen screenshot. How to take a full screen screenshot. Let's go back to the Wikipedia site we saw before. This page has content above the fold, and below the fold. To take the full screen screenshot, so the entire page is captured, you would need a screen capture software. But I will show you a trick. It will work for web pages displayed in Firefox. I have not looked for this feature in other browsers. Here are the steps to take a full screen screenshot. Click the Page Actions button. Click Take a Screenshot. Click Save Full Page. Click Save. Firefox has displayed the full screen, as an image, in a new tab. You can save this image as a web page. Click File, Save Page As. I will type a new name. Click Save. That's it, folks. In a few simple steps, you can take a screenshot of the visible part, or of the full screen, on a PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.